every time I go to one of these houses, and we rent a place, I never like do the full interior tour because I'm like, who the hell wants to see that? But it seems like a lot of people want to see that. So let's do this. There's 2 houses here, so you get like a bonus. So if you really don't like this, then you have it twice because there's 2 houses to look at. But I'm going to do all this before other guests come. Let's do it. So this is the driveway that you have to come down to. Allison actually fell on this yesterday when we were unloading all of the luggage, and it was kind of funny. She didn't get hurt, so it was funny. But yeah, that's very slippery in the rain. There's Ben doing a little.
Hi, I'm trying not to let the dog.
Get out of my way.
Okay, bye. You don't care about your dumb video.
Kitchen.
Do your little house tour.
As soon as you walk in, and then some seating. Right into a very nice view of the lake. Very, I mean, if you're going to spend money on a window, that's the way to do it. There's an outside porch, a fenced-in porch or a screened-in porch. This is probably going to be my favorite room. Once again, excellent view of the lake. We'll do more on the lake in a minute. So, dining table, Rayla. Living room. The one bathroom in the main living area. Again, nothing fancy. Basics. Ben's bunk room. Bedroom that we're sleeping in. This is the other bedroom. So yeah. Ben has claimed this chair because it reclines and he likes it. Now we're going to go down to the boathouse. These steps are a little treacherous. The movement around this property is treacherous. It's very vertical. Okay, I'm going to film myself going downstairs. If I fall, this will be great video. Not that I want to fall, but...
If you fall, it's going to be a great video, Fred.
Thanks, son. Hope you picked up on that. It's true. I mean, alright, I'm going to go the other way.
I mean, falling is always great, but
Unless somebody hurts themselves, then it's not funny. I'm going to predict that Lloyd's not going to like all these steps. Lloyd and his family are staying in this room, in this cabin. Not only are the steps very slippery, but the boards are slippery. Like these are like, it's like skating on ice. Let's get that lake footage. Lake footage. This is La Casa de Lloyd. TV. Another great view of the lake. Bench style seating for a family of 4. Kitchen. Little microwave nook. Master bedroom. I will say that I think this is actually a nicer house room thing. You know, for like one couple. And this is a fold-out bed. Little washlet and bathroom. Now we're gonna go down to another layer. Below us is the boathouse area, and it was supposed to have a half bath down there, a working half bath, but that didn't happen. Let's go look at it, and you'll see the warning that one would be met with should they attempt to urinate in there. It's raining, I think. All right, let's take a look inside the boathouse. Little underneath the deck hammock. All right. Now. Very practical boathouse, inflatable device. Now you're like, oh look, everybody wrote messages to the family. That's very nice. But then, do not use this toilet. I wonder if the sink works. Hard no. Hard no. I thought this was like almost like a basement, like it went downstairs, but that would be nuts because the water's right there. Utility closet. I don't know, like this is a terrible thing to end this. I should put this in the beginning of the video, but that's not going to work really. Boathouse. That's what we got here. We got a boathouse. It's a boathouse, apartment, main house. Okay, I'm done. I'm done for now. We've done the tour. I'm going to go play with my drone. It's humid. Juicy. And what do you think of this house, Allison?
I think it's very nice. I like it. It has nice views. Can't wait to jump in the lake. And it seems very convenient for a lot of things, especially wineries and breweries.
And we know how much you like wineries and breweries.
I do.